I have seen this too many times. That's when I said to myself, Ribono Shel Olam, never again.
Do you see that yatom, that orphan, that's sitting in the house of Avelut, not really knowing what's going on, with those little legs dangling, barely reaching the floor? When those small chairs of Misaskim leave the house, Misaskim does not leave that boy.
Misaskim's project Yedid has probably been one of the best kept secrets. We have many projects throughout the year, and Simchas Beis Yeshiva is one of them.
They give them a full-blown concert, a day of fun and entertainment with food, 5-course dinner, big band, top of the name performers in the Jewish music world. Unbelievable. I've had the zchus to be there from the very beginning, which is a small crowd. Unfortunately, over the years, now they take a hall, and it's very heartwarming to help them forget for a few hours the matzav that they're in. And this simcha, I think, gives them koyach and energy to go through the year till the next simcha. I'm going to an event. You know what? I'll bring along my lulav and esrog. You never know. To my surprise, besides a few guys in the band and the sound man who benched on the lulav and esrog, geworden allein, kinderlach, medelach, in one line, and boys in the other line, to bench lulav and esrog. I'm thinking to myself, why didn't they do it at home? Es fehlt doch a Tatty. The Tatty nicht do. I was very moved and very touched by the fact that I had the seichel to bring the lulav and esrog and be mezakeh these yesomim with a mitzvah.
Avremel asked that before he goes up, if anybody didn't bench lulav and esrog.
Hanukkah is a family time. A parent is missing, it's never the same. Every family gets a package of toys. Each kid gets $9 or $10 gebenched the money from today's gedolim. Besides for that, each kid gets his own Hanukkah geld. Go buy what makes you happy. We have 2,400 yesomim on our list. Do the math, $50 a child, besides the $10. How much is it? Picture a child that's always down, and here's this box that shows up on Hanukkah. And inside, every kid gets his own envelope. It's with his name on it. The gebench the money's in there. And there's that Hanukkah geld. What does this mean for that kid? It's priceless.
So Yanky Meir makes his way over to a bar mitzvah. And an almana walks up to him and she's already crying. Thank you, you don't know what you've done for my orphans, and you don't understand the dollars from the Gedolim, it just uplifted them. But the money that they were given for all those toys, my kids, they pooled all that money together and they bought me a piece of jewelry. It was the first piece of jewelry that was bought for me in almost 8 years since my husband passed away. You don't understand what this did for my family.
Mama, 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 cry for us. Mama, 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 wait for us.
Friday afternoon, I got the phone call that from my brother that Mom is gone. The side of my parents' house had an alleyway. There was a bunch of shrubs and bushes. Without even being asked, they just cleaned up the whole alleyway. That way it's comfortable to be able to go through. They realized the house was a little dim. They said, you can't sit like this, it's too dim. We're like, we're sitting Shiva, you know, it's not a happy place anyways. Like, we're talking about for 3 different type of fixtures. The volunteers didn't do it because they were asked. They did it because they cared.
They'll wash the floors, they'll take out the garbage, they'll clean the kitchen, whatever is needed to get done.
A significant aspect of being a volunteer for Misaskim is on a Friday afternoon.
Like literally 2 hours before the Zman, a group of 5 guys, volunteers came, and that's it.
And besides for that, they're going to bring in everything that's needed for Shabbos. All the meals, nash.
There should be no traces and no resemblance of whatever happened this whole week. pack everything up, clean up the whole house.
There's no zeiche that somebody's sitting shiva in this house.
It's back to normal, regular Shabbos.
So much so that I have personally witnessed a volunteer that said, "I'll be right back," and ran down to the street corner just to buy a bouquet of flowers and put it on the table for Shabbos.
I had a knock at the door and it's 9:30 at night, and you see what Yedid brought over here.
Last year, Purim's and Chol Hamoed costed Project Yedid over $400,000. Every family got a personalized invitation.
I had this invitation come in the mail. It is a Purim card, but you choose a menu and they give you options like a wedding.
For them to pick a Purim Seder what they want. You're not going to anybody. You tell us what you need and it's coming. Satma Schriete, Lubavitcher Schriete, gluten-free, sugar-free. All they had to do was set the table. Picture the magnitude of such an operation. This went on in Borough Park, in Muncie, in Williamsburg, in Lakewood, in Kiryas Yoel. Last year, Purim came out on a Friday.
Because this year falls out on Friday, they also are including a Shabbos menu in addition.
Everyone got an offer besides for the Purim Seder. Here's Shabbos for you.
One of the services that Yedid has is supplying school supplies.
I have to run some errands, and I meet a guy by a car outside, and he asks me if I'm Mrs. Hirsch, and he says this is from Misaskim, school supplies for each child, 5 boxes. They're just incredible, literally incredible. I'm not getting emotional.
אם אתה משמח את שלי, אני משמח את שלך. almanos and yesomim is on top of the list.
Look at those little feet dangling on those small chairs. Remember that life moves on and Misaskim is there to bring a certain light to the home of the orphans, Hanukkah, other programs that are helping now. Please, team up with us and help us. Let's bring light to the homes of so many that need our help. Thank you.
We'll never cry again.